Hello everyone. Good morning. At least it's morning here where I am. Wherever you are, I hope it's a good time of day. I wanted to share with you my very first Happy Mail. This was sent by a lady that wanted to stay anonymous, and so she didn't want me to give her name or anything, but I certainly thank her, and I couldn't believe that she was thinking of me. She was in a thrift store and she saw a blouse that had some trim on it and the fabric. She said, I looked at that and I thought, I wonder what Lynda would do with that. And so she bought it. She said it wasn't in her size. She couldn't wear it anyway, even though she liked it. And sent it to me and asked me if I would incorporate something, part of it, in one of my projects. And so I will be doing that in the future, probably sometime in January. And but I just wanted to share with you, it is a beautiful blouse. The fabric itself is really gorgeous. It really lends itself to an autumn theme, and that would be really gorgeous. But still, it's very earthy, and I just love it. But it's got so many colors in it, so I'm going to have fun cutting this up and using it. And look at the patterns, all the different patterns that are in it too, just all kinds. Isn't that beautiful? But what she was really emphasizing was the trim on the front. And let me turn this around and show you that. And it is really pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? It has this solid piece of lace that goes across here. Then it has this little raised piece here. These have gemstones in them, but this section through here doesn't. So that would be easily cut apart. Let's see. And those pieces could be used easily because they're going to come out of there really easily. Well, I say they are. They are if what happened here was that these pulled away from the gemstone in the middle. That's one reason why they came apart so easily. So I may have to look at doing that to get the rest of them out, but let's see if I can get a couple of these out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty and delicate? And look at those beautiful colors. The threads shine. They're just so pretty. So that, and then even this back part with these gems still in it, that would be very usable. Let's see if these come. These come out too. Don't know how those little things are attached, but however, here's another one that can come out easily. Look here, I'm already into cutting it up. You can see how much fun I have finding things. But look at this beautiful blouse and these beautiful trims. I can't wait. I can't wait to get a project that do these justice. And of course, this piece here, look at that. It's coming right out itself. Part of it will come away easily and part won't. So I'll have to be working on that part. There's one here. Let's see. I don't know if these must be glued. Not real sure how these attach, but anyway, I will be working on getting that apart. Just look at that. Not gorgeous. Now, even on the shoulder side, look at this piece here. Isn't that pretty? Just cut that out in one piece. And there's one on this side that's in the blues. Isn't that pretty? So yes, most definitely, I will be playing with the fabric and the trim. And this is exactly the kind of thing that I'm talking about when you're in thrift stores, Goodwills, garage sales. You can find these things. I believe she said this was under $3, so I'm thinking that probably it was around $3. But what you couldn't buy this trim, much less the fabric, for $3. Isn't that a good buy? And also, when you think about how much fabric is in here, and how much of this trim is in here, it's just wonderful. And if I can get the top layer out, I can use the bottom underneath layer. Look, the wrong side of this fabric is pretty in itself, and it has the little glitzy things still on it. So anyway, it's just gorgeous. It's just going to be fun to come up with something. Meanwhile, some of the little parts and pieces I may be putting in my stitch by stitch projects, and until I can find a bigger piece that will do this justice. I'm thinking that, gosh, I don't know. It's just so many gorgeous colors. It's got the blues, the greens, all the browns. Let's flip it over and look at the back. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Boy, couldn't you find something in this for everything that page you ever wanted to do, and and slow stitching and the colors. I just thank this lady so much, because this gives me tons of inspiration. It's a challenge, and it will be fun to show you. And I will make more than one thing out of using this, so that you can see that there are more than one application to anything you want to get. What a good start to start your own stash. I'm sorry she parted with it. It's so beautiful, but okay, I'm glad I got it. But thank you so much for the happy mail. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you've enjoyed seeing this too. Take care now and stay scrap happy.